Welcome back, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve these Smedium knotless braids. She washed and blew out her hair, so I'm just going to start with the first row. I find it really easy to part out one big section and then go back and correct your part after you do that big section. So that's what you see me doing here. I'm going to part it out first and then I'm going to correct it and make sure it's really straight. The first row will have 3 knotless braids, so you'll see me parting out the first knotless braid. I'm going to detangle the hair, then add some product. Then I take an edge brush and I smooth out the client's hair so that my braid is really smooth and neat. Using the end of the edge brush, I break the client's hair into 3 pieces, equal pieces, and then I start braiding. So I braid her natural hair once and then I add extensions. I just repeat the same process throughout the client's whole head. So right here, you're simply putting product on it, combing it with my edge brush, and then breaking her hair up into 3 equal parts. And here you can see me braiding her real hair once, and then I'll add my first extension, braid, and then I'll add another extension, braid, and then I'll add another extension and continue to braid on down. As you can see, I have the top portion of her hair in a ponytail and section off. The top portion of her hair will be split in half, so it will be split into 2 different parts. On the left side, I do 2 rows, and on the right side, I do 2 rows. It was at this exact moment that I knew that these braids were gonna be fire. Y'all, I love the result. So I hope I've helped you some way today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment more videos that you guys want to see and more styles that you want to see me do.